Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a sector which is the need of the hour, and a lot of innovations are happening in India, and a lot of foreign companies are coming in India, having the operations in India, filing a lot of patent applications, having a huge portfolio of applications, and they take intellectual property very seriously. And few of the companies which are very active in India is Medtronics, and another is Boston Scientific. Boston Scientific and Medtronics have been pioneer in medical device industry for a while, and they have their offices across India, and a lot of scientists are working on it. A lot of innovations are happening on different technologies, which is of importance right now. Recently, the company surgical equipment maker Sutures is under a deal value of almost 500 million. That is approximately 3 3,220 crore rupees. The deal value in INR is almost 3,220 crores, which is a huge leap of what the valuation has been in the past. So, if we talk about the company, Sutures is developing a lot of technologies in the wound healing sector. Then they have their closure products, which help to heal the wound. Then we have absorbable sutures are there. They are needles and other innovative products which they manufacture. Even they manufacture bone wax and tapes. The company per se is delivering performance, and since the performance value has been a tremendous growth in the recent past, so you can see a lot is happening in the medical sector. And recently, if you see, many foreign universities are coming in India, hiring the scientists in India, having their R&D in India. One of the good examples can be Stanford University have their campus in India, whereby a lot of technologies are being developed, and a lot of patent applications are also being filed in that domain. So, understanding what kind of technologies are going to be the future of India, or what kind of technologies are globally applicable, is of interest to every Fortune 100 company. See, you need to understand what kind of medical players are there, and whatever innovation is happening in wet lab, what kind of dry lab innovations can happen, what kind of mobile apps or what kind of mobile applications would be helpful to the doctors, to the scientists across the globe. Obviously, a lot of innovation is happening whereby, remote sensing of patient data is there. The data is stored in a cloud, and all those aspects are already patented by uh, small players and the big players. However, there is a gap. There's a huge gap in a lot of sectors whereby, especially if you talk about heart patients or you talk about diabetes patient, what kind of innovations can actually help reduce the death rate of people suffering from heart related diseases. So if you can see in this sector, a lot of mobile apps, or even the medicines, the capsule bottles, the bottle itself might have some kind of innovation in it, whereby uh, it gives the indication to the patient that it's time to have the medicine, and it is associated with the mobile application. So those are the aspects where as an innovator you can work. And if you have any questions related to medical sector, we would be happy to assist. We can answer. If you have any questions related to the legal aspects of how the medical sector is evolving across the globe, how as an innovator you can associate yourself with companies who are actually already working in that domain, so we can help you with that.